So we did Trail Magic last year in 2022, but it was so cold and snowing the whole time, we didn't get nearly enough footage for me to be able to put together an entire recap video. As you can see, it was snowing when we got there, it was snowing when we left, it was down into the single digits with the wind chill, but it did not stop us from feeding hikers and having a great time. But stick around because I do have enough footage for our 2023 Trail Magic adventure, so I hope you enjoy. We are back at Dick's Creek on the Appalachian Trail near Hiawassee, Georgia for our third year in a row for Trail Magic. We've had a lot of hikers coming in so far. As you can see, we have upped our game. We are cooking a lot of food this year, but hope you enjoy meeting some of the hikers that we're interacting with and getting a view into our Trail Magic experience.
What's your name and where are you from?
My name is U-Turn and I'm from Colleyville, Texas.
And how do you prepare for hiking on the trail?
You quit your job, you start hiking, you prepare physically, and then you shop a lot.
What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Gonzo. I'm from Ann Arbor, Michigan.
And what's the coolest thing you've seen on the trail so far?
So far, I say it's Blood Mountain. I enjoyed the hike up. It was challenging and definitely the best view so far. There's a shelter up there that was built in 1933, so that was pretty cool to see. I probably could have spent all afternoon exploring all the little nooks and crannies. Yeah, I definitely want to come back, bring my family and check that out.
Thumper, Fredericton, New Brunswick.
My name's Oz from Quebec City, Canada.
My name is Yvon. Bourbon is my trail name, and I'm from Montreal, Canada.
And what's the favorite thing you've seen so far?
The people.
The people?
Yeah,
People.
Trail Magic!
So when we first started doing Trail Magic 2 years ago, we all have a Duluth High School connection. And so a lot of people kept asking us, what's the name of your group? You know, does your Trail Magic group have a name? And we didn't. So because we all had a Duluth High School connection, we came up with Wildcats in the Woods. Had this banner made up last year, but we have all 8 of our participants here all have some sort of connection with Duluth, whether they graduated there or taught there. So that's our connection, and that's why we're Wildcats in the Woods.
I'm Lefty. I'm from Ridgefield, Washington. Favorite thing so far has been probably the sunrise this morning.
Yeah. I'm Helium. I'm from Roseburg, Oregon, and yeah, I think the sunrise this morning, despite it being icy, was probably my favorite morning so far. Favorite campsite.
Best
up there on
so far.
Yeah, in this breakfast, Tree Mountain. Yeah.
So, Cushway here. Welcome back from class of 95, Duluth Wildcats in here at Cookin with Cary. Just want to say thank you for this opportunity. It was just an absolute pleasure to be able to experience this with you and to share so many people's stories and be a part of their life and their adventure. Cary, you're doing just an amazing thing out here. The food was delicious. Not too crazy about that vegan egg thing, but definitely the bacon, the sausage, everything else. Got a really great thing. Keep it up.
Well, I'm Tim Boots on, and my connection to this was I was a teacher at Duluth High School, and most of these folks, well, everybody here has got a connection to Duluth High School. It's fun, it's neat, it's worthwhile, and I know the hikers appreciate it.
My name is Rebecca Lynn, and I'm from Michigan / British Columbia. I'm a dual citizen. Well, my trail name is Trinity, and I got the trail name because I started March 3rd, and I'm trying to do a calendar year triple crown, so 3 trails in a year.
All right, this is Firewalker. I live in Knoxville. Favorite thing I've seen so far is just the people. I'm very happy to be out here again and hit Trail Magic a couple times, and this is why we're all here. So it's been great.
Hi, I'm Ron. I'm from Belgium. I'm 44 years old. So I'm here to hike the Appalachian Trail from March until the end of August, hopefully, and it's been great so far.
My name is Matt. I'm from Great Barrington, Massachusetts, and my favorite thing so far has been going to bed at 7 o'clock every night.
Trail name's Goliath from the Philadelphia area.
And what did you have to do to prepare for the trail?
I had to get the gear, had to know where I was going, had to know how much time I'm going to be away from home, had to save money, had to just be mentally and physically as ready as possible.
It's been another great day doing Trail Magic here at Dix Creek on the Appalachian Trail. We've had a good crowd come in kind of in waves as the day's gone along, but it's been another wonderful experience, and we're already putting it on our calendars to come back next year. Hey, if you enjoyed this content, take a second and click the like button down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it.